Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam.
It's very pleasure to see you both because it's very hard to find such a girl from Indonesia, like wearing the hijab.
Wah, thank you.
Yeah, you're from Indonesia, right?
Yeah. Yeah. How do you know?
Uh, I have a very little idea about your country, but once I tried to go to
Wait.
the, sorry,
Free Palestine.
sure, Free Palestine, have a look. Here you go. Free Palestine. Yeah.
By the way, where are you from?
As much as we have the ability, we have to proclaim that free Palestine, free Palestine.
You. Where are you from?
I'm from
Where?
Bangladesh, dear sister.
Oh, Bangladesh. What? Oh, you
No,
birds.
yeah, my
Oh,
bird, my pet bird. Yeah. Do you have any pet animals?
no.
No.
Hell.
Ah, okay. But I have one bird. What? I'm speaking with Indonesian sister. Say hello. Say hello, Turi. Say hello. Now he's roaming around my room and no more intention what I'm talking to my bird. It can speak English.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So cool.
Mhm. Anyway, dear sister, I think you both are very pious girl, like very oriented of Islam. You love Islam. Look, I have been speaking. I have been speaking through this app and other application in order to learn English. But very rare people I have found who are from Indonesia. They actually didn't have the hijab. But you are the second person that I have found. I'm very glad whenever I see any woman just wearing the hijab. This is the true beauty of Islam, true beauty of the woman if they use the hijab. I love this.
We love hijab.
Sure. What's your job?
Oh, it's private. Yeah.
Okay. No
I
problem.
don't.
I'm not gonna ask. It's private, as you said.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. What about you, dear sister?
She is junior high school.
Okay, junior high school. Oh, you feel shy to speak in English?
Yeah, she's shy.
Okay, but once I was so shy to speak in English when I started learning English. I have my own dialect, I have my own language, mother tongue.
Can you speak Bangladesh language?
Definitely, I would like to tell my own dialect as behind the creation of Bangla language, we had to have battle. Anyway, which sentence you want to know from my own language? Let me know. Oh, okay.
Let me introduce myself.
Sure. Go ahead.
My name is. Yeah. Why? Wait a minute. Wait.
Okay. Okay. Take your time. I'm waiting here.
My name is Siti Aisyah. My name is Fatima.
Very beautiful name. I like that.
How about you? What's your name?
It's Gazi Nahian.
Can I call you Hian?
Gazi Nahian.
Katina Hian. Gazina
Yes.
Hian.
Perfect.
And I call you what?
Gazi.
Kati.
Z for good. Gazi.
Gadi.
Yes.
Okay, Gadi.
Mhm.
How old are you, Gadi?
Okay. If you really know my age, you would be amazed. I think you might drop the live and just let me know what do you think about my age. I would like to
Okay.
know your
I
idea.
yeah. I think you're 25, 25, 26, maybe.
My age is more than 26.
Mm. Huh? So old. 20, 29?
30.
Speak English? No. Eh,
3 and 0. Yes.
oh,
What about you?
18.